welcome back. So today we're going to be doing our Home for the Holidays DIY challenge. Now the rules for this challenge were you could do a DIY, or you could do a room tour, or you could do a DIY in style. So there were three options for this challenge. Below I've linked a playlist of all the other YouTubers who are participating in this challenge. So please check out the other videos in the playlist. So hopefully you guys will enjoy these videos. I know I'm going to enjoy watching them. Hopefully everyone will grab some inspiration from everyone else's homes and start the holiday off right. So if you guys are interested in seeing these DIYs that I've created, just keep on watching. I'll be going in with this large 36 by 48 canvas that I picked up on clearance at Michael's. I'll be using this white paint. And I recommend not skipping this step because it helps the paint and the glitters apply smoother. Next, I'll be going in with these leftover rocks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. With this step, be sure to add a generous amount of hot glue so that your rocks will stick. You could go in with another glue if you choose. However, I feel like since I'm going to be adding so many layers to this project, the hot glue will be sufficient. So right here I'm just giving you a look at how it looks after I have added all of my stones. You'll notice here that I have added larger stones toward the top. I picked up these two silver paints from Michael's, and I'm going to start off with the warm silver color first. I felt like one layer of paint was a little bit too opaque for my taste, so I'm going back in with that same paint to add another layer and darken up the project. You'll notice here I've created a wavy pattern in the middle of my painting, and that's because I want to create a gradient effect with the different color silver glitters that I'm going to be using, and you'll see what I mean later on. So right here I'm just showing you how it looks so far. So now that the paint is all dry, I'm going to be going in with Mod Podge. I'll also be using iridescent fine glitter as well as silver fine glitter. So right here I'm just going in with a smaller paintbrush so that I can get close to the rocks. Right now I'm going to be going in with this chunky glitter that I picked up from Michael's. And I picked this glitter up on sale because it is the holidays, guys. It's a perfect time to stock up on glitters. So guys, I just wanted you guys to see that this glitter has a mixture of iridescent glitter in there with some fine glitter pieces, and it is just beautiful. And this is a part of the Recollection signature collection, and it's called Mica and Glitter Mix. Hopefully you guys can see that. In a bowl I have poured some Mod Podge. And what I'm going to do is just brush this plain Mod Podge over the top of my glitter layer. Once I have a small area of Mod Podge down, I'm going to go ahead and place some glitter on top. repeating this process until all of my large stones are covered with the large glitter. Now I'll be going in with this Recollections coarse glitter that I picked up from Michael's. So now it's just time to flip it over and work on the bottom section of the painting. So here's where I'll be using that silver color. And I'm just going to roughly brush this color up about 3 inches from the bottom of the painting. Now it's just time to fill in the waves that I've created, and I'm just going to go in with regular fine glitter that I picked up from Walmart. I'll be going in with 2 sharper throws from Walmart. The first thing I'll do is lay my throws out onto the floor so that the seams are together. Now that the seams are lined up, I'm going to go in with this fabric glue that I picked up from Joann's. For this project, you'll need 2 of the shelf liners from the Dollar Tree, as well as 4 of the non-slip rug underlays. Once again, I'm going to go in with fabric glue. So guys, this is a great way to create a rug for the holidays. It cozies up the space so much and I just love it. For my last DIY, I'll be going in with these candles from the Dollar Tree. With a brush, I'm going to apply Mod Podge about 1/3 of the way up the candle. Next, I'm going to go back in with this fine glitter, and again, it is from Walmart. I'll be going in with these gems that I already had. Right here, I'm just using Mod Podge to apply the gems. Guys, I'm going to be using these candle stands that I got from eFavorMart, and I'm just going to place them on the table. Right here I'm just giving you guys a mini home tour of my sitting room and my living room with all of my Christmas decorations. So guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. Hopefully everybody enjoyed these little DIYs. If you have, please give this video a big huge thumbs up, as well as hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.